Have you ever wondered what it might be like to return to a childlike faith? To see the world once again with eyes of wonder and awe? To walk barefoot through the grass, to taste the sweetness of a simple meal, to kneel in the garden and feel the soil in your hands? Jesus said in Matthew 18:3, "Truly I tell you, unless you change and become like little children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." What if faith was not always about doing more, striving more, proving more, but about resting, trusting, and delighting in the Father as a child delights in their parents' care? When we step outside, we are surrounded by the sermon of creation. The mountains stand like steadfast guardians. The sunrise paints the sky with mercies new every morning. The rain falls, watering the earth, reminding us that God waters our souls too. Psalm 19 tells us, "The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands." Have we grown so hurried, so hardened that we forget to look up, to watch the clouds roll by, to notice the sparkle of dew on a leaf, to listen to the laughter of a child as holy music? Childlike faith is found not only in the awe-inspiring moments, but in the smallest corners of life. The excitement of coloring with mom, the clatter of dishes washed with gratitude, in the dirt beneath fingernails after playing in the garden. Ecclesiastes 3 reminds us, "There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens." To delight in God is to receive each season, even the ordinary ones, as holy. To know that nothing is wasted in His hands. But perhaps the hardest part of childlike faith is this: learning to let go of control. Children do not wake each morning worried about tomorrow's bread. They trust their parents to provide. And Jesus in Matthew 6 reminds us, "Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." Faith like a child is content to be here, now, with dirt on our shoes, with messy hair, with imperfect plans, yet with a perfect God who redeems all things. Romans 8:28 promises us, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose." To be childlike is not to be childish. It is not immaturity, but freedom. Freedom to laugh without restraint. Freedom to weep honestly. Freedom to dance in puddles, unashamed. Freedom to believe God when He says, "I will never leave you nor forsake you." The world tells us to grow up, to toughen up, to carry the weight alone. But the kingdom of heaven tells us to kneel low, to lift our arms in surrender, and to say, Abba, Father. So let us not despise the simple things, the dirt, the puddles, the meals shared around a small table, the laughter echoing through our homes. It's all a gift. Each is a glimpse of the greater banquet yet to come. Psalm 34:8 says, "Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him." Today may you rest in the Father's care. May you be free enough to wonder again, humble enough to laugh again, and courageous enough to trust Him completely. Do not let the things that matter most, His Word, His presence, His truth, be pushed aside by the things that do not matter at all. Delight in Him, walk with Him, and trust that the God who planted every seed of wonder in your heart will bring forth a harvest in His perfect time.